Okay. Uh, well, what we want to try to do is we want to try to get the ASCAT scatterometry data into Expedition. Uh, it's a little bit fickle. So I'm launching Squid. Okay, there the program's coming up. I'm going to select the area that we want to see. Say download satellite image selection. I'm going to over here click ASCAT on. The wind comes on and it's selecting last runtime, and the best thing to do is touch nothing and just click send request. Now the ASCAT scatterometry satellite doesn't cover the whole Earth. It goes in stripes, and it's very possible that there is either going to be no data at all or fragmented data. And as you can see, we have fragmented data. There's a little tiny bit of stripe of wind forecast, or not forecast, this is an observation. Observation data up here. That doesn't really do us any good. So this is this question of getting lucky, and if there's some scatterometry data, then you're good. Key thing here is to point at it with the mouse and take a look at the timestamp on it. That's going to be UTC time, quite certain, and because it's aged data, so you can have two stripes next to each other. One stripe's old data and one stripe's newer data. Very, very important to look at the aging of the stripes. Getting this data over into Expedition, it's problematic. Sometimes it shows up. I'm not exactly sure what's going on. I can go to the Squid folder. I can see, there's nothing here in the Squid folder for this file. But let's see if here, if I say all file types, is something else going to appear? Up top, we just downloaded it, and the answer is no. I'm not exactly sure how to get the ASCAT data into Expedition. It's not something I really am trying to do from a routing perspective. It's really that we just want to be able to observe the data. So that satellite is flown by and it's observed, and it's different timestamps, by the way, at different points along the curve, but the satellite literally is moving. So in this instance, the timestamp doesn't seem to be any different. Well, anyways, that's how you get ASCAT data. All right. Good luck.